do I go back to Frank's and get the Jeep? Do I go back to Frank's and buy a set of pads and stick the pads on and then head to my daughter's, which we'll put in tonight or tomorrow? Or do we go to my daughter's, we'll be on the freeway, not go through Atlanta or anything, so it'll be a minimal amount of brake work or brake usage. We won't be using the brakes that much until we get off the freeway, hopefully. My son-in-law doesn't have anything to work with. I should have enough tools to change a set of brake pads. So we have decided that we are going to go on to Acworth, buy some brake pads on the way, and tear into it. I think the jack that came with the van will get it up high enough to change the tire, or take the tire off, and we can do the brakes. But we've got our bike, and they're the shopping center and the art store are, about a mile and a half. We can walk as far as that goes. But if they'll usually have some tools there. If we don't have the right tools, we shouldn't be able to get the tools. So we should be, bad as I hate it, we'll probably be doing a brake job on the van. There's a video this weekend. Just the front. The back shoes don't usually wear out. They usually go well over 100,000. I am tired of working on vehicles. I was going to try to get some interesting stuff going through Atlanta, and that's the first scraping I've heard, so hopefully it hasn't scarred the rotors. But evidently they didn't use the squealers, getting the pads with the squealers, or either they bent them out or cut them off where they wouldn't squeal. We'll stop by a parts store and get a set of front pads, then go to my daughter's, jack this front end up and see about changing these front pads. Meanwhile, we're on 285 north or west, whatever they want to call it, headed towards Spaghetti Junction. We're almost at Spaghetti Junction. Trying to keep enough tools in the van to where if I had to, I could change a water pump or a starter. We should be able to do this brake job with what we've got. Go across the top end, go 75 north. there's a baby's button now. We've actually got all week to get these brakes fixed. We don't have to leave. We can go to the Kroger or whatever, get us something to eat. We can stay here. We don't have to venture out. We should be able to take care of it. Hopefully in just a couple of hours, and that way we can still get to North Georgia and do what we want to do up Northwest Georgia this week. Van's got over 350,000 miles on it now. We did put that engine in at 300,000, engine transmission, or we had it put in. I didn't put it in. If I'd known how everything was going to go, I would have put it in myself. But I didn't. We'll just go 285, 75, 75 to 92 or Glade Road or Altoona Gateway, whatever they call it now. Then, like I said, go across the lake, get our parts. Video to do from several weeks back. We've got plenty of it. We wouldn't have to leave my daughters this week to get video. But we got to get it fixed. And I'm assuming that's what that scrubbing was. We'll find out once we get up here. Unless we find out before. That would not likely be good. There's a ramp to Roswell Road. All that mess used to be sitting, right here, trying to get off on Roswell Road. Look at that mess. Some of those people are going to merge on full, folks. Merge on the 75 and turn this one off. This will be the third one today. I didn't start uploading the second one yet. It'll be from 85. Get it? Down to Tucker, down to 29. Down to North Dakota. Get it? The faster you drive, the more entertaining it is for us, as long as we don't get tangled up with you. Turn on the rear camera. We got the rear view camera. I like that rear view. Where is it? Where is the plug for our dash camera? Come here, plug. Where you at? The dash camera. This one off and get the dash camera. Then we're going to turn this one off. We got the dash camera